What do people feel when they see you? Ano yung impression mo sa kanila? Ano yung dating mo, ano yung vibe mo when you're with a certain group of people? Okay, so I need you to choose one out of the five cards. Alright? Okay. For those who chose card number one, they feel that you are someone, parang person of authority. Nakikita nila na very matalino ka. Nakikita nila na ano na you have a lot of ideas, you have a lot of things to bring in the table. And they are, siguro some of them are a little bit hesitant kasi baka mamaya or probably they are intimidated by you because masyado ka matalino for them. Okay, so that's for those who chose card number one. For those who chose card number two, they see you as an observer. They see you as someone na parang tahimik ka lang, you are quietly trying to understand the situation before you give your opinion, which is a good trait actually. So, yun ang nakikita nila sa inyo. Ang impression nila sa inyo is observer ka. Hindi ka basta-basta nagbibitaw ng mga opinions mo without really understanding a certain situation. Okay? For those who chose card number three, they feel that ang nakalagay kasi dito is between worlds. So I feel that parang they know that you're going through something and there is change that is happening to you or siguro sa emotions mo. So they're trying to understand you, where you are at right now. Right? For those who chose card number four, you are, for other people, a very fair person. Nakikita rin nila na ano na may balanse. You try to weigh the situation. Parang hindi ka lang papanig sa isang tao just because maraming tao ang kakampi nila. You're trying to see the situation as a whole. And dun ka lang magbibigay ng opinion mo, dun ka lang magbibigay ng side mo. So, you try to, sometimes, minsan ano ka pa nga devil's advocate ka pa nga na nagbibigay ka ng ano ng third opinion, 'di ba? Just for people to understand a certain situation and hindi lang sila yung parang nasa isang echo chamber na isang side lang yung pinapanigan. Okay. And for those who chose card number five, people see you as someone who's very peaceful. Siguro actually the imagery pa nga here is very light, it's very fun. Napaka-aliwalas na tao. They come to you when they need that, that rest. Alam mo yung parang may problema sila, kaya kanilang lapitan and walang judgment. And that's the kind of calmness that you provide other people. So I hope this helped and sana yun nga yung mga nakikita nila sa inyo. And so far naman lahat naman magaganda. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay? Bye!